Hello again, guys. This is Juan Adames with HSE. We're very excited. We just came back from another successful test of our new controller. I'm going to talk about the controller for a little bit. It offers 15 hours of battery life. It's dust resistant, water resistant, a lot lighter, easier to control. When you're out there in a hot field, you don't want something big and bulky. You can attach your iPhone, you can attach your phone, you can attach your tablet. Here, this is totally adjustable. So let's talk about our M6A Plus. This is a 15-liter model of any liquid. These nozzles are replaceable depending on the amount that you need to apply on your product. Why a drone on my farm? These things are dangerous. This technology has been around for more than 22 years. We are HSE here in Orlando, Florida. We've been in the drone business for over 9 years. One of our biggest customers is the USDA. We work with over 13 universities all over the US. I personally sell to South America. Lakes, you want to apply chemicals to lakes. You don't have to take out this out on the boat. You want to apply chemicals to your farm. You don't have to have the big tires treading on your farm. This hovers right over accurately where you need it to go, safely. The backpack spraying, it's still being used, guys. It's very, very dangerous. Again, the drone can accurately cover the amounts that you need on your farm. For any other questions, please visit HSE-UAV.com. For more information on this, our 15-liter, click here below. Thank you again.